Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw an envelope. Let's start. First, draw a straight line like this. And from here, do it up like this. And on the other side, do the same thing. And these two lines have to be like this. There. Now, in here, draw a square like this. Like that. Now up here, draw some wiggly lines on the side too, everywhere around it. This is a stamp. You can make some pictures. I drew a 4 because I feel like I want to give it someone in 2 days. Let's start the next part. Now down like this. Now to the other edge, down like that again. And now to this, connect it like that. And now down here, draw a line like this. And now do the same thing to the other part. Now connect these two. Now draw a line like this. Now draw a line like this. And longer. Now to here, connect it like this. Now connect these two. Now draw a line like this. And another one like this. This is the letter. You can write what you like on the letter. I'm writing a list about what to shop. There. We're done? Actually, we're done. It's time to color. We're almost done coloring paper. Now we'll color envelopes. We're almost done coloring outside. Next, we'll color inside. I'm almost done. I want to color this outside another color. Let me pick. I'll use the other blue. Okay, we're done. Bye.